Hi guys, I received the new Tonic craft kit in the mail today, and it's only January 6th. So let's open it up. If you're still counting, which I know that they're not, this would be number 51. And as always, I can't remember what it is, but we are soon going to find out as soon as I can figure out all the places that they've taped it closed. So bear with me. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, so silver service. I seem to recall. I don't know. All right, I have no clue. So let's look at the. Let me put this stuff aside so we have more room here. And then get into it. Bear with me. All right. I can put the box to the side. All right. So, let's see if I can bring you down a little bit. All right. All right. Tonic craft kit. So, this one is called Sweetheart Bouquet. Sweetheart Bouquet. I don't have a clue. Okay. This will help us. All right, so it's a panel that we can change. The front. We've got a shaker card here. All right, so let's look at the dies. All right, so for this, let me get a piece of paper. All right, so this panel has roses, and let's measure the panel. The panel is 4 by 5. Then it's got the outer edge, and then maybe that says thinking of you. Thank you. Thinking of you. I'm not sure. All right, so that's the first die. Oh, this is so pretty. All right, so here's another panel, look, with the different flowers. That is gorgeous. And then it's got little inlays. This one's got a little heart. And it does say something. I just don't know what it says. And this is no help. All right, so let's look at the stamps. It says, thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. You are missing you, always in my thoughts, just to say, very special. Someone, friend. It's got little tiny corners and edges of flowers. Little hearts, a couple more flowers, little leaves, best wishes. Oh, this is so pretty. wish I could figure out what this is. It does say thinking of you. So this one says thinking of you. And this one, nope, I can't do it. But this one definitely says thinking of you over here. So these are just gorgeous. Just really pretty. I really, really think these are real pretty. All right, so that's the dies. And it comes with silver, Holo Waves, Luna Silver, Silver Screen, Silver Strokes. Let's see if we can get this open. Take a look at this paper. Oh, that's pretty. The silver on the craft. Silver glitter. So is there 4 different kinds? 4 colors. 4. All right. And then this one is silver. Luna Silver pearlescent card. And then the last one is the mirror card. So that's pretty. Very pretty. All right, so let's look at the goodie bag. See what we've got. Looks like everything's in bags. All right, so this is Mica Mist in Pink Carnation. That's a really pretty, a baby pink color. And then this is Expanding Mousse in Misted Mauve. That's really pretty. Vintage Drops in Peppermint Candy. Look at how pretty those are together. And then this is Embossing Powder in Classic Silver. There's more stuff in here. Ooh. Purishing Confetti and Lilac Bloom. Wow, look at that. You know, these colors almost remind me of the first kit that I ever got last year was it Sweet Sorbet? It was the ice cream one, and it had all these real soft, pretty pastel colors. And this is Crackle Mousse in Water Nymph. Look at that. Those are so pretty. So pretty. I think that's it for the goodies. That's a lot of nice stuff. I really like that. All right. So that's our Nouveau goodie bag. So let's see. What papers we have. All right. All right, so classic card. See if I can, let me see if I can do these in order that they have them listed. All right, here we go. So we've got classic card in ivory. Classic card in bubblegum pink. Does look like bubblegum. Mirror card. Oh, classic card in sugared lilac. Mirror card. Ooh. And soft amethyst. Oh, that is so pretty. I hope you can see that well. Pearlescent card. And blue frost. That's so pretty. Specialty card. Pink champagne. Specialty card in Miami Mist. I like the textures on there. Every specialty card color seems to have a different texture, little pattern I really like. Glitter card in Sugar Delight. Oh, Sugar Crystal. Sweetheart Bouquet pattern paper. It says there's 2 of these. Sweetheart Bouquet pattern paper. But I have 3. So one side is this, one side is that. So all right. Oh, I really like these, all this color combination on here. I hope you do too. It's gorgeous, just gorgeous. All right. All right. Absolutely gorgeous. 51. Sweetheart Bouquet. I love the dies. I love the paper. I think this is one of my favorites that we've had just recently. So if you subscribe to the monthly club, let me know in comments. If you've received yours and earlier and got to play with it, let me know what you think of it. Like I said, I just got this one today, so haven't had time to do anything with it, but it is gorgeous. So, all right, so that's it for this one. 51 is in the books. I'm excited. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Thank you if you're a subscriber. I appreciate you watching, taking the time to watch. I appreciate you subscribing if you're a subscriber. If you are a subscriber and haven't hit that notification button, if you hit that, it'll let you know when I've posted a new video, so you don't miss anything. I'm hoping to do bigger and better things in 2022. So until the next one, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.